Right. These are the service elevators at the Cornhusker Marriott in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is the 1983 Westinghouse elevators. This is going to be 4K30 frames. Let's take one final ride. These service elevators. So here we go. Let's start. We'll go down first. So here we go. Which one's going to be? Let's probably get that one again. Listen to that dinner bell. LL, lower level. Here we go. Your lower level. Alright, let's go to 10. Here are 10. Alright, let's go back down to 1. Here we go. Here are 1. Alright, that's it.